How many of you love giving presents? I know I do. Did you know that wrapping presents involves math? Let me show you. I have this box that I need to wrap. Now, I need to figure out how much wrapping paper I need to wrap this box. So I took a guess. I cut out a bunch of wrapping paper. I hope this square of wrapping paper covers my entire box. So I'm going to find out if it does. Uh-oh. It looks like I cut my wrapping paper too small. It needs to be a little bit bigger. I need to figure out how much more wrapping paper I'm going to need. Looks like I'm going to need about 4 more inches of wrapping paper if I want to wrap this box. So now what you're all going to get to do is you're each going to get your own box. They're all different sizes. No one's going to have an identical box as someone else. And I'm going to go around and you're going to try and guess how much wrapping paper you need to wrap your box. And you're going to guess, you're going to see if it works, and try and wrap your present. And if you have too much, then you need to write down how much you had left over after you wrapped your box. And then if you have too little, you need to write down how much more wrapping paper you think you need in order to wrap your box. And if you wrap your box perfectly, then you're a really good guesser at figuring out how much wrapping paper it takes to cover your box. You're each going to have about 10 to 15 minutes to guess through your wrapping paper, wrap your box, see if it works. And if you need more, then you can come get more wrapping paper. If you have too much, then you're going to cut off the extra. And be sure to record what you find, if you have too much, too little, or if you had just enough to wrap your box.